Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, here the particle moves in one dimension and the position as a function of time is given as x of t. This is equal to 2.2 meter per second into t plus minus 2.6 meter per second squared into t squared. So let this be equation 1. For the first part of the equation, we have to calculate the average velocity from the time t is equal to 0.45 seconds to t is equal to 0.55 seconds. So we know that the average velocity is given by the formula final position minus initial position, final position minus initial position divided by final velocity, this is final time minus initial time, that is the rate of change of position. This is the velocity. So here the average velocity is equal to x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. So first let's substitute the t for initial and the final and calculate the x values. So x of 0.5 is equal to 2.2 into 0.45 minus 2.6 into 0.45 squared. As a result, we get the displacement is 0.4635 meters. And again, we have to find the displacement at the time 0.55. So this is 2.2 into 0.55 minus 2.6 into 0.55 squared, and we get the time is final position is 0.4235 meter. And finally let's calculate the average velocity. Here this is final position, so final position is 0.4235 meter minus 0.4635 meter, which is the initial position, divided by the time here is 0.55 minus 0.45, and if we divide we get the average velocity is minus 0.04 divided by 0.1, and finally we get the average velocity is equal to minus 0.4 meter per second. Here negative sign indicates that it is moving in the opposite direction, or the velocity is speed is slowing down. For the next part, we have to find the average velocity from a time period of 0.49 seconds to 0.51 seconds using the same expression. So first let's calculate the position at the time of 0.49 seconds. So x of 0.49 is equal to 2.2 into 0.49 minus 2.6 into 0.49 to the square, and we get the position which is equal to 0.4537 meter. And now we have to find the position at 0.51 seconds. This is equal to 2.2 into 0.51 minus 2.6 into 0.51 square. So we get the position at this time period, that is 0.51 seconds, and this will be equal to 0.44574 meter. Now let's find the average velocity for this case. The final position minus initial position, this is 0.44574 minus 0.4537 divided by the final time is 0.51 minus 0.49. As a result, we get minus 0.00 796 divided by 0.02, and we get the average velocity is equal to minus 0.398 meter per second. Hope you find this videos useful. Thank you.